Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. This Malibu is featured in a Summit White paint finish and is the premier trim. Under the hood we have our 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle, we have 5-passenger seating on our leather seating surfaces with heated and cooled seats in the front of the vehicle. We also have a heated steering wheel, GPS navigation, a powered sunroof, as well as our forward collision alert and lane keep assist. Outside the vehicle, we have our LED headlights, as well as our alloy wheels. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings, power mirrors and power windows below with some storage, including a cup holder and our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls, audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, power driver's seat with our power adjustable lumbar finished in our jet black leather and heated and cooled. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and our lane keep assist. Audio controls are behind, as mentioned before. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, all the controls for our driver information system, as well as more audio controls behind. Push to start ignition back on the right hand side. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, phone connection, phone projection, GPS navigation. Also have text, OnStar, and traffic settings. Second page, we have our apps, My Chevrolet, weather, and audiobooks. If we put the vehicle in reverse, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below, we have our home, seek, volume and mute, as well as back buttons. Hazard lights below that. Then we have our cooled and heated driver's seat, as well as our dual zone climate, and our cooled and heated passenger seat. Below it, we have 2 USBs with an aux, a 12-volt plug, some storage where we can currently see our key. On our key, we have locks and unlocks, remote start, a trunk release, as well as our alarm system. Then just behind that storage space, traction control, parking sensors, parallel park assist, our shifter, 2 cup holders with our wheel lock key, electronic parking brake below our shifter, and some storage just in front of our leather finished center console with deep storage and a felt finish. Passenger seat also heated, cooled, and powered for the passenger, and finished in our jet black leather. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have OnStar settings at the front, dome lighting on either side with our dome lighting controls across the front, powered sunroof and sunshade, universal garage door opener with our 3 settings, and lastly, dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and Continental Pro Contact tires. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as paint match door handles with keyless entry and chrome accents. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Malibu 2.0 turbo badging, orange bow tie, as well as premier badging. Opening up into the back of the vehicle, we have our backup camera, folding seats that we can fold directly from the back of the vehicle, as well as our storage. Underneath, we can see we have a space for a full-sized 5th tire and a pass-through in a 60/40 folding split. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 vents, and then at the bottom we have 2 USBs, a 120-volt plug, and a 12-volt plug, carpeted floor mats. Second row seat is a 60/40 folding bench seat, foldable from the back of the vehicle, finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have 2 cup holders with some storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.